Nice to see you guys here today, but here's a very reminder to all of you. For everybody, your own safety, please remain seated, please remain seated. Hands, arms, elbows, legs, please fit inside the boat, fit inside the boat. Don't fit at the great side, don't fit at the great side, please fit inside the boat, fit inside the boat. 我们这个是水上游乐设施，为了大家的安全着想，保持坐下，保持坐好，手跟手肘不要放在灰色的位置，不要放在灰色的位置，通通给我收回船內，收回船內哦。我哋呢個水上遊樂設施嚟㗎，為咗大家嘅安全着想，緊記坐定定喺個船度啊，手腳手踭放翻入船入面，唔好放喺灰色嘅位置啦嚇。好啦，我哋要出發我哋嘅旅程㗎啦，保持坐好，保持坐好 ，remain seated。嚟到森林入口之處，望望右手邊先啊！呢個我哋森林之王泰山嘅樹屋啊，但係最近泰山去咗度假，咁究竟佢幾時翻嚟咧？船長我都唔知啊！希望你哋下次嚟嘅時候可以見到佢，但是記得不要游泳過河。是我木筏提供給大家的，大家記得是坐左邊的木筏過河到右手邊去看泰山或者去玩泰山樹屋，不要在這一條河流裡面游泳啊！這一條河流裡面超級的危險，有很多很危險的動物，大家要記住這件事情，不要讓我發現有人在這邊游泳哦。And here's come the entrance of our jungle river cruise. Up ahead we see the mother elephant and the baby elephant here. And the mother is teaching the baby how to take a shower. See how cute the baby is. Okay, and please over the right hand side. That's the mother elephant and she's taking showers too. Let's see those wrinkles. He should be taking for a long, long time of shower. Please don't follow him. Everybody please look, check out. That's the mother elephant. And she's going to remain as we care for everybody and you may get well.